Sensirion's SEK-SGP30 is an easy-to-use evaluation kit for Sensirion's SGP30 multi-pixel gas sensor for indoor air quality sensing. The kit includes the two SGP30 sensors, various SHT series temperature sensors, sensor bridge hardware and adapter cables to connect to sensors, and viewer software for data logging. The SGP30 has 4 sensing elements comprised of different metal oxides that change resistance in the presence of VOCs and are resistant to siloxanes for long-term stability. The sensor processes that data to provide total VOC and H2-based CO2 equivalent concentration to the I2C interface. The SGP30 integrates a micro hot plate for temperature control and is factory calibrated to simplify integration in IoT applications, air purifiers, and demand-controlled ventilation.